United States versus the world, and from the U.S. and Dallas, Texas, this is Hollie Vise. Give me where she fits in. Carly Patterson, Tasha Schweiker. Where does she fit in the American scene?
Right near the top, and on this event right here, potentially a world medalist.
One thing that stands out with this athlete are her positions. Watch how exact she is on this event. Just beautiful.
Right here, beautiful. Extension on that full spin on one arm. Love it.
So smooth, too. National champion on this event.
She's going to win a lot more titles too on this event and many